Okay, we'll take one cord through the lashing points. And then take it back on itself to the other end. What we see here, we have 2 D rings. We take it through, that's it, yep, back on itself, and then we can now pull that tight. And there we have. We repeat this process along this side here, and also down the floors, down the lashing points here. So now we've fitted the straps down the sides. On some containers there is a hook or a lashing point up in the middle here, and also a corresponding one on the far side, and we would, in that situation, would use a 5th strap. This container unfortunately hasn't, but what we can do, we can take this rope through the lashing point. Yep. And across to the other side to give us a reference point for the 5th. So if you do a couple of half hitches and then secure that. And then what we can do is we can attach the 5th. We take the 5th cord and we tie it onto this cord here, and we take it across to the other side. So then we attach the 5th. This helps keep our sealing of the liner from sagging down. But as I said before, if the container's got the lashing points in the middle at the top there, then to use the lashing points. Now we're in a position where we can start fitting the liner. First, find the open end of the liner, which is at this end here. This goes at the door end, and then we unfurl the liner. We open it up down the length of the container. And here, yep, that's the front end. So this goes down here. The liner actually protrudes out of the container here because we need to seal it. So that's it. Now it's a simple case of tying up the liner. So if you open up the liner and tie up the ties up to the cord that we put in the lashing point. So by taking the hook we make sure we hook it over, in most particularly the cord that runs through the lashing points, or preferably both of them. take the webbing, take it over. Then we repeat the process. We attach to tighten it up. This pulls the liner, make sure that the corners are nice and taut. We've attached the top here, and then we do the sides. So we fasten down the sides, down at the floor and up at the ceiling. Basically that opens up the liner like so. Then we fasten up these elasticated loops onto the door cam, and then we fold this out of the position, out of the way. So it's, after filling it, we bring the sides in, the side flaps, then we bring the bottom up, the top down, and then we seal with the tape supplied, and the job, and then it's sealed across by pressing against the pallets on that edge there, and the job's done.